When reviewing your LinkedIn profile, ask yourself the following questions. Is it aimed at your ideal client? Can clients easily understand what you do, and who you do it for? Does it help people know, like and trust you? And are your contact details visible? Whether you need help setting up a profile, or just looking for some tips to help you update your account, these next steps can be followed to help you maintain your online presence and increase your visibility. To begin setting up your LinkedIn profile, you need to choose a banner image that represents what you do. For example, you could use a photo of you in action, or a simple banner with a strapline and web address. You then need to choose a profile picture. Ensure it is professional, happy and recent. Headshots work the best. Next, use the facility to record your name to ensure others address you accurately. Then you can add your heading. Make it clear what you do and who you help and how. Optimize the first 40 characters for SEO. It's also important to customize your URL. Don't stick with the one LinkedIn has given you, make it personal so it is easier for people to find you online. You can then add your website link. This could be, for example, to a YouTube channel, or even your calendar for easier booking. The next step to complete is your featured section. Turn this on and add 3 things to it. You can add PDFs, web links, pictures, links to posts and articles and more. Make sure to change this on a regular basis. Then scroll down to your About section. Make sure to write in first person and explain what you do, who you do it for, what value you bring, and results your client achieve from using you. You can also add some personal info and a call to action. Space this out well so it is easy to read, and don't forget SEO keywords. Next, turn on your services section and list the services you offer. You can also add your price if you wish. Under this is work experience. You don't need every job since 16 added here. The most recent and relevant ones are fine. Make sure they are linked through to the company page, and don't forget you can add media to this section too, such as a website or brochure. Moving on to education. Only include higher education onwards and add any relevant courses or professional certificates in this section. Also, make sure not to overlook the volunteer section. People like to do business with people who give back, so if you work with a charity, mentor young people or on the PTA, or coach your child's football team, add it to your profile. Skills. You can add up to 100 skills on your profile, and others can endorse these skills. Skills are good to allow others to find your profile via these keywords. Recommendations. Ask for and give recommendations to people you've worked with, or done business with. People will look at your recommendations to see whether you are someone who can be trusted to buy from. Make sure to follow or connect to someone on LinkedIn that you are interested in connecting with. Why not record a short 30-second video, introducing yourself, what you do and how you can help. Use it as a post and then add it to your featured section. Always include relevant SEO keywords in your LinkedIn profile. Think about the types of words that people are likely to search for.